So Matt Araiza is here to defend himself. He's not here to settle the case. He will not settle the case because he did nothing wrong.
Former San Diego State football player Matt Araiza was in court today for a hearing in a civil lawsuit. Araiza and several other former SDSU football players are facing a lawsuit alleging sexual assault of a then 17-year-old girl. Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin was in court today. Adam, Araiza is pushing for this case to move forward and quickly, too. He wants to get back to his life.
Yeah, and as you heard from his attorney, they believe that Matt Araiza did nothing wrong and want a jury to hear their side of these serious allegations. That's still a bit away. There was no jury today. This was about the judge deciding the privacy around certain information released in this case and whether Jane Doe's sexual history is information Matt Araiza's attorneys will get access to. Standing flanked by his legal team, Matt Araiza let his attorneys do all the talking.
Matt Araiza, he's not here for fun and games.
On Friday, a judge agreed to allow a protective order in the case, keeping some documents as they come up confidential from the public. The judge also agreed to allow Araiza's attorneys some degree of discovery into Jane Doe's sexual history.
There are circumstances in this case that militate a very limited, totally protected inquiry.
Something Jane Doe's attorney pushed back against.
I don't think that those extraordinary circumstances are here.
According to a posted ruling, the judge allowed a period going back 1 year and a few days before the night of the incident, October 17th, 2021.
In most instances, the past sexual history of a sexual assault victim is not admissible into evidence. And so there's an exception to that, and they have fallen within what the court said was a very narrow exception to that.
We want to protect privacy rights, and it's important. However, because she filed the lawsuit for sexual assault, she has put that issue into the case. In other words, she's the one that brought in the issue of her sexual background, and the judge found that to be the case.
Matt Araiza's attorney says they plan to keep moving things forward to get the case to trial.
The trial date's set for October 24th of this year, and we are pushing it to trial only because we need an exoneration of Matt so he can get his career back in the NFL.
Earlier this year, prosecutors declined to bring any criminal charges against Araiza or the others accused regarding the sexual assault. It's important to note on the sexual history, the judge is just allowing it in the discovery process. No evidence that would be presented to a jury or the public would be released. That's a decision that would come at a later time. Adam Rakusin, Team 10.